If your mouse cursor has disappeared into the abyss on Windows 7, 10, or 11, I'm here to help. First, we can't use the mouse for this tutorial, so we're going to use the keyboard. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start button. Start typing Device Manager. You don't even have to finish typing it, just hit Enter. On this window that shows up, use Tab key to navigate down to the list. Once the first item on the list is selected, use the arrow down key on your keyboard. Okay, you're looking for the option saying Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Once there, don't press Enter. Instead, press right arrow key to expand it. Use down arrow key to select your mouse device. Mine is Logitech Gaming Mouse. Yours could be completely different. Okay, now press Enter to open mouse device properties. On this window, just like before, use Tab key to navigate around key areas, and use arrow keys to select buttons or menu options. Hold the Shift key and press Tab. This will bring you up and select the first tab option. Press right arrow key to select Driver tab. Use down arrow key to select the Disable Device button. Okay, once Disable Device button is highlighted, press Enter. Your mouse name should disappear from under the Mice and Other Pointing Devices option. On this pop-up window, select Yes. And that's okay. Now, Disable Device button will change to Enable Device. So go ahead and press Enter again to enable mouse device. Woohoo! At this point, your mouse arrow should return and no longer disappear from desktop. But if it's still not showing up, there is one other thing you can do. Go down to the button that says Uninstall Device. Press Enter. Press Enter again on highlighted Uninstall button. When asked to restart your computer, it's important to select No. Now use the Alt key to navigate to upper menu. Now select Action tab and press Enter. And go to Scan for Hardware Changes option. Okay. At this point, your mouse cursor should return to the screen. If it isn't, there is one last thing you can try, and that is updating the driver. In the same way, go back to your mouse device view and look for Update Driver button. Go through the process and see if that brings your mouse back. If it's still not showing up, you might want to restart your computer and see if it shows up. If nothing works, it's probably a hardware issue, which is rare. But I hope this guide helped you get your mouse back on the screen. Please post a comment to share your experience.